cups were not made for these drawers.
Exactly. You're 100% right.
Now, welcome back, Chef. Nice
Thank
to see
you, sir. You're right. They are collapsible. That means that they're not going to take up any space. They're easy to clean. They're easy to use. And you're getting all the right sizes from the quarter cup all the way up to the 1 cup with the measuring cups. We're going to give you the set of spoons all the way from half a teaspoon all the way up to 2 tablespoons. They are collapsible as well. Everything is designed to work in tandem with each other and nest, which I love. And here's the bonus piece. I love this. How about a 2-cup collapsible with a handle measuring cup that's, I mean, you talk about those glass ones that are in the cupboard, the amount of bulk and weight that they add to everything. This is what it's all about.
My glass measuring cups in my pantry or in my cabinet are never going to get smaller. My pantry feels like it gets smaller, and my cabinets feel like they get smaller, but the cups never get smaller.
The cups never get smaller.
Because they're made of glass. They don't collapse. These are great. And with baking, you can't eyeball.
We talked about that.
I mean, if you are a grandmother or great-grandmother, you can probably eyeball because you've been cooking baking a long time. But for the rest of us, we need to measure and measure accurately.
It's an exact science, and if you get it wrong, especially with baking powders, baking sodas, you can really get results that you weren't expecting. So, you know, I always say, with the exception of plates and cups, the most reach-for item in your kitchen is those measuring cups and spoons.
Don't lean on that counter because it's on wheels. All right.
Done.
Now, you get 9 total pieces. You get 4 measuring cups, 4 measuring spoons, and the big measuring cup. This color is called Ocean Blue. 1,200 in the Ocean Blue. Beside that is the cracked pepper, 1,700, and finally the tomato. Fewer than 2,000 is what we have to go around.
Oh
now,
my,
sir,
oh
you're
my.
making what?
Well, listen, if you
Cookies?
want the cookies that turn out like this, then you want your measurements to be exact. So here's my little tip for you. When you're measuring out your brown sugar, if it says packed, that means that it wants you to kind of compress it down, okay? So all you're going to do with that is get it compressed down so you've got that little bit of a hump there, and then the easiest thing to do is to use that knife, peel it off, and now you've got your exact measurement. And that's what it's about, the exacting measurements in your recipe so that you're not getting surprised by the results when they come out of the oven. So,
because when they come out of the oven and that cake is flat as a flitter, then you probably have too much flour in it, right?
Exactly.
Or you have too much or not enough of some ingredient, right? So that's why these measuring cups become so very important, and they collapse flat for easy storage. It's not going to be hard to store these at all. Now, is this milk or heavy cream?
Heavy cream, or it's just, you know what, even a basic pancake mix, if you get the ingredients wrong, it's too light, it's like a crepe, it's too thick, it's like, you know, something that just never cooks. And when it comes to things like vanilla, those extra little spices, those extra little sauces, you don't want to overdo it, you don't want to underdo it. And I love the fact that this has such a wide brim. You can see that. That means that it's not going to spill over. It's going to keep everything inside there, which I absolutely love. And this big guy, I want you to see something which is kind of fun with this. We love doing it with this because you've got that handle that folds down that gives you complete control, and it's microwave safe. So listen, when was the last time you were able to use your measuring cup to dip a couple of chocolate strawberries in? Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous?
Oh,
absolutely love it.
I love chocolate covered strawberries.
Oh,
You'll never hear me turn them down. All right, now, let me remind you that this collapses flat as a flitter. This is so easy to store because it collapses, and that's true of all 9 pieces. We have the tomato, we have the cracked pepper. Let me go ahead and bring that back to full size. Here is the cracked pepper, and finally the Ocean Blue. Oh, and we have the tomato also, sorry. Here is the larger piece that goes with the tomato. Already 300 of these are gone. Now, not just the big cup collapses, but all the measuring cups and spoons collapse too.
All the measuring cups and spoons.
So everything, and it comes in a very easy to open O-ring. So it's easy for you to take these apart if you need to.
Exactly.
If you're using them to dip batter out or something, you know, all that is
How many times do we lose these? How many times do you look for that quarter cup? Gone. How many times do you look for that teaspoon? It's gone. I love the fact that we have the loop on the clip. And have a look at this. That's all of them, you guys. That's less than the width of a standard 1-cup measuring cup out of a solid plastic or solid metal set. That's huge. And the fact that they're silicone means that these are going to last in your kitchen through all the use and abuse that we give our kitchen gadgets. And again, it's all collapsible. It's all Look at that. I love it. I love it. I love
Perfect.
it. And it all nests. So that means when it comes time to put that away, everything folds in on each other, just like that. And you've got that loop. And the loop, to your point, David, has a little ball and thing there. You just pop it out and you can take those apart if you need to. Again, this is Prepology. This is QVC's proprietary brand. So we take that time, we take that care, and we go and we find all of the items, especially in that gadget category, that just make life in the kitchen easier, because that's what it's about. The better the tools, the better the results.
If you can find all your measuring spoons and cups, because to Chef's point, they're probably all scattered throughout your kitchen. But if you can find them all, order this, donate the others.
Oh, I love it. What a great idea.
And that way, you've not thrown them away. They're good for somebody, but they're not cluttering up your kitchen anymore. Because your measuring cups and measuring spoons will always be the same size.
You're absolutely right.
If they're made of a rigid material.
You're absolutely right.
These are all collapsible.
And I love the fact that they're dishwasher safe, that they're simple to use, and you know, again, that ring that keeps it all together. And I'm going to show you that one more time. There's that little tip. Take that knife if you need to re-exact with things like the garlic powder and the peppers and things like that. Scrape it off, and now you've got that beautiful wide rim. Everything's perfect, everything's exact. So when it comes time for those sauces, those puddings, all of those great toppings that you put all over your cakes and baked goods,
You're making like a fettuccine
perfect.
sauce?
This is a fettuccine sauce.
Or an Alfredo sauce, rather?
Yeah, exactly. So everything you can think of, that's what these are going to be good for. And I love the fact that these come in our Prepology colors. I mean, talk about giving that punch of personality into everything in your kitchen, and the fact that it matches up with all of our other Prepology items.
Here's your whisk.
Oh, you going to whisk it for me? I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it.
Happy to help. This is lovely, and it gets thicker as you whisk it, and then you can top it and add it to your pasta, whatever you're doing.
I love it. Look at that. You're very good at this.
Years of practice. Not as practiced as you are, Chef, but these are, boy, that's lovely. And this a fresh pasta.
Exactly. Look at that. This is what I love. The fact that you're not taking up any of that extra space, that all of the cups, all of the spoons, they all collapse, and that main piece with that beautiful handle that holds all of that weight, that twists up again when it collapses for that easy storage. This is one of those pieces that you're going to have in your kitchen that you're going to reach for time and time and time again. And the fact that it's got that loop, everything stays together, no lost pieces, dishwasher safe, and space saving. Can't beat it.
I put in some black pepper.
Lunch.
Yum. Yum, yum, yum. All right, now this is tomato. We also have the cracked pepper, and we have the ocean blue. Get your measuring cups, spoons, and large 2-cup measuring tool, all for $25. Chef, nice to have you back.
Thank you, sir.
Nice to see you, buddy. All right, already 250 of these are gone. Hello there. We are thrilled to welcome